Okay, so the next exercise we'll do is called a quad set. During a knee surgery or any knee injury, the quad reflexly inhibits, so it's very important to get that quad working again. This will require just the use of a small towel under your knee. That's for feedback. You're going to try to extend the knee as much as you can by crushing that towel. So you're going to straighten your leg out, and again we're going to hold for the count of 3 and then relax. So we're going to say tighten against the towel, hold, 1, 2, 3, 1. And again, push down, 1, 2, 3, 2. Again, push down, 1, 2, 3, 3. And push down,
1, 2, 3.
3. Push down,
1, 2, 3.
3, 4. And relax. And again, push down, 1, 2, 3, 5. Again, push down,
1, 2, 3.
and relax. Now Martha's counting out loud, which is great because it avoids holding your breath. 1, 2, 3, breathe, 6. Push down, crush the towel.
1, 2, 3.
7. And again, push down, hold. 1, 2, 3, 8. And again, push down, hold.
1, 2, 3.
9. One more. Squeeze that towel.
1, 2, 3.
10. Take a deep breath and relax.